Now, if you're confused about all these classes and directives, let me make it super simple for you. In Angular, we have two classes to keep track of the state of input fields and their validity. One is form control, which represents only one input field, and the other is form group, which represents a group of input fields. Now, when we apply the ng model directive on an input field, Angular automatically creates a form control object and associates that with that input field. So this is form control and ng model. Now, form group class is used to represent an entire form and optionally groups within a form. Now, as we explained before, we have a directive called ngForm that is automatically applied to all form elements. So Angular automatically applies the ngForm directive to your forms, and this will internally create a form group object and associate it with your form. And with this form group object, we can track the state changes of the form and its validity. Now, if you have a complex form with multiple subgroups, we can optionally apply the ng model directive on a subgroup. And this directive, similar to the ngForm directive, will also create a form group object for that group. Now, you might be curious, what is the difference between ngForm and ng model group? The difference is that the ngForm directive exposes an output property, which you saw earlier, that is ng submit. And we use this to handle the submit event of forms. ng model group doesn't have that output property because it doesn't make sense to submit a part of a form. So this is all about form control, form group, and the related directives.